What's going on, everybody? Top of the top. Welcome back to another episode and another install video. And I'm your host, Drewskiii. So today we're going to be installing side markers on my 10th-gen Civic Type R. Check out them Brambos, you know what I'm saying? Nah. But we're finally going to get rid of these ugly orange side markers, and we're going to replace them with some smoked sequential side markers. So I got these side markers on Amazon for 40 bucks, and I got the smoke ones. They have clear ones and smoke, oops. But yeah, here you go. Nice packaging. Yeah, packaging is nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Damn, nice and glossy. You can see the LED strips in the back. Check out the quality. Quality seems good. So you see how they'll look, and then yeah. So pretty much the only tool you're gonna need is a screwdriver, and you're gonna have to unscrew this. There's a screw right here at the bottom of it and at the top. All right, guys. So we're gonna want to unscrew this one right here. This one right here, right on top. So screw number one, and then screw number two right here. So what I'm gonna do is pull back the lining, that way I can get more access, and then pretty much hit it with the screwdriver. There we go. Pop it out. Be careful, and you also wanna pop this socket out right here in the back. My bad, y'all. So right here, there's a little clip. I was doing it wrong the whole time. This is let's do a side-by-side comparison. Here we got a side-by-side comparison. OEM at the top, the aftermarket Amazon. But what I'm gonna do is transfer this onto this. So if it's like this, just pop it out. What you want to do is pop out the light bulb it comes with. This little side bulb, just pop it out. Be careful with it. And then what you're gonna want to do is on your actual side marker, it comes with this, like, rather than the bulb, it comes with this LED thing, pretty much connected where it slides with the OEM bulb. Make sure it's in there. Go ahead and test it out. Reconnect the back. Just place it on there, and we'll be back. Damn, look nice. So yeah, guys, I connected it correctly the first time, and it looks nice. Alright, y'all, I think so for now, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and pass up on doing the sequentials, just because I'm running out of time. I want to make sure I do things correctly. I don't want to rush nothing. Just go ahead and do the same process that you pretty much did to loosen everything up. Alright, y'all, so that's the passenger side. That's how we're looking. So we pretty much want to do the same thing that we did to the other side. Take out this screw right here. Hey, I'm the type of person that I can't really work with gloves on. To be real, they get in my way. Screw number two to the top. Pull the flat back. Pop it out. Boom. Same situation. Remember, plug in. Well, first of all, you're gonna want to take off the OEM bulb. Just pull it back. Put this one, but make sure that before you actually put everything back together, it's functioning correctly how it should. Let's test it out real quick. It got light. Boom. Boom. There we go. Both of them are done. Definitely changes the look of the car. Before and after. If you're on the fence on actually getting side markers for a car, recommend them. And they should look nice. Let's go ahead and check it out. Damn, that's nice. I like that. Looks good quality too. So like I said, Amazon 40 bucks. And they're like half the price of everybody else. Ugly yellow to this. Alright guys, so that does it with this install video. It's a quick, simple, easy one. Low budget, get it off of Amazon, 45 bucks, next day shipping. If you want to pay extra money, go for it. But to me, the build quality is very good. The lighting looks good in my opinion, you know what I mean? And they're sturdy and they fit. Yeah man, the car's coming along very well. We did the tint, y'all seen that. We did the mirror caps, y'all seen that. And we did the side markers, y'all seen that. I hope that video helped out somebody. Not the greatest at explaining stuff, but keep rocking with your boy. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @drewskiii. Also follow me for my amazing, beautiful car photography right here at Conscious Eye Media. Check out the back. Stay tuned for the next cruise. You know, this one right here was one of my favorite cruises ever. And let me know what y'all think of this this dope swag. Y'all like it? Y'all fuck with it? Let me know. Comment below. Catch you on the next video. Came back from the bay, 153 days. Damn, what can I say? Drove the R from LA.